It's October 17th, 2019. We're here in Cocoa Beach. It's pronounced quack, quack. We're going to see spaceships today. Right over here, we've got a model, a mock-up of the NASA Orion spacecraft. Kennedy Space Center. Flames to shoot away.
I like the tour so far.
Here to the right on the south side of the VAB, that is the largest painted American flag in the world.
You're gonna stay up late and party. Party! So cool!
We take the last picture with Mickey Mouse, then Minnie shows up. We really wanted Minnie. We like Minnie. Minnie's the bomb, dude. 1, 2, 3.
This is mine. Mine.
Yep. Arr, matey. We're getting on board the Disney Dream, which was built in 2011 in Germany or Norway.
Please welcome aboard the Rogerson family. Please welcome aboard the McClary family.
Wow! Excellent idea, Belle.
Alright, look at mommy. 1, 2, 3.
Two staterooms. Here we go. We got.
Shoot my timber!
We are going to Castaway Cay, where we're going to be beaching, we're going to be swimming, we're going to be maybe having a Mai Tai, we're not sure.
We've had an excellent time. This is our last day.
Reggie V. Sodders, how's your pina colada? My pina colada is cold. In fact, I gotta drink it a little slower because it's giving me a little aneurysm.
Are you living the best life? You did it. You did it.
He was crawling around and I saw him and I said, Baby and Paxton probably would want to see the little crab.